All right, we just picked up tennis balls. We only found 3. Oh, here's another one. So we found 4. The Cherokee's got all the tennis balls in it still. It's got 5 per side. So these have got to be coming out of the Explorer. It's nice that they're like this neon color, you know, so they're easy to find-ish. Anyways, we might keep these because we might have to stiffen up the suspension on the back of the Cherokee. You know, again, I turned around and, you know, this is what these guys do. Here.
It's right here, bud, right there. It's leaking right here. Are you safer to just lay it?
Oh, they already fixed it once.
What are we? We're leaking stuff out over there. How is it coming out?
I don't.
Yeah, I need a weak hose.
Where is it leaking out? From the bottom of the radiator. All right.
That's cool. Just keeping water in it. That's cool. I wonder if that happened when I dropped it. But I dropped the back. I didn't drop the front. What happened?
First machine down, trying to repair it.
Well, where's everything coming?
The frickin' Buick. Biscuits.
Those are not how you drop it. Foot pedals. Foot pedals. Oh my god.
Oh yeah, foot. This thing's old, man.
Foot pedals. You gotta push the button first.
Push the button under the key.
Hey.
Now we find the hole.
Matt, your leak repair is not repaired.
Oh, I got it. I got it. Okay.
You find something down there?
That's pretty clear. Yeah, we got it. We got it.
That's pretty clear.
Good job, my man. My man.
Sometimes the seventh time is a
He's
charm.
broke right off.
Whoa, 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 we're getting after it.
Orale, chivato.
Orale. I fixed it, you're welcome.
Good job, Nick. It's the fancy
Oh, oh, hidden switches, hidden switches. What is going on? There's so much abuse happening out there. For fuck's sake. I'm getting out of here. This is danger zone. What happened here? Oh, biscuits and gravy.
That is not fair. That's not a fair race.
Looks good. Pretty solid. Great. All right, well, the Buick's back up. All right, so this happened.
Oh, shit.
Dude, look at that.
The wheel just broke.
We have a spare.
Pick it up.
I like true operator, beer in hand. He knows what's up. Get rid of this. We don't want this flying into our teeth, you know? That's pretty good. That's real nice. We're trying to slow her down a little bit. Oh!
Dustin!
Heads up!
Dustin!
That's the fastest way to blow the rear glass out. Oh, all 3 of them! Hey, you got some airflow now. Wow, that was intense.
Hey, whose car needs a window delete next?
Son of a biscuit.
But you missed the one.
All right, we got to flip her back over. Yeah, you're helping. So helpful. We do have a leaker.
Yeah, we got a good one.
We got a gusher.
We got a gusher.
I think I needed some spark plugs in this thing. She's fouling out, man. It's running on only a couple.
It smokes real black smoke.
Right, yeah.
Super.
Good move, diesel. She's running a little rich.
That'll fix it.
Running a little rich on her.
We'll pull them out. You waiting for it to cool down?
Yeah, I gotta wait for it to cool.
All right. We got some repairs going on the exploder.
Carb clean or something, right?
Yeah, and wire brush. Did you lose another tire?
Yeah.
Oh, you really lost that one. That's a good one.
Well, that's a good tire. This is a good wheel. Is that what we're gonna have to do?
That's probably too big for the front. Because I think
Is that a good wheel and tire?
that's out of the Jeep. Doing some renovations on this thing, or
Yeah.
clean? One owner?
Depends on how this thing runs when you start.
It won't even fucking run.
What is wrong, Matt? What's wrong
God,
with
I'm
you?
pissed.
Did you give it a kiss?
See,
Is it scared? It's peeing a
I
little.
think it's just not getting. Alright.
That would be the reason why I went.
What did you do?
I fucked it up. All I did was touch the fucking filter. That's all you
He
did.
got under there, he touched something, now
Touch
it's
your
peeing all
wife
over the
once
ground.
and that was it.
Lack of fuel?
Because
It'll start and run, but it just doesn't take any.
Did you scan it for codes?
All the codes are good.
The codes are good.
Are you sure? I feel like it's a code for what about the code for gasoline?
The fuel situation is no bueno. We got the Jeep spare on the front. We've got 3 different sizes of tires. That's the biggest one. Those ones are a little smaller. And then this one's really tiny Tim size. It's fine. This thing is now stuck in like 4th or 5th gear. So when we bought it, Troy did tell me that the transmission does weird stuff. So out on the racetrack, it was doing something funky. They just put their foot against the shifter, you know, just crammed it up against the dash, and now it's good to go. There you go. It's finally over on its side. Are you happy?
Now we can fix it. Yep, it's fucked.
You just confirmed? Hey, that's a problem.
No, that's a good problem. It's got fuel pressure.
It had fuel.
It's gone now.
Some gorilla tape.
Fresh out of fuel pressure. Look at that. It's the frickin' reading rainbow over there.
I found a white line.
What do you think, Matt?
I think it's got a real clean fucking tranny pan.
Well, that was probably because it was scraping on everything.
Yeah, that's
they
what
were
I'm saying.
driving over.
It's the cleanest part of the car.
All of this is kind of brushed clean.
I think this is
This is nice.
Hey, Dustin, will this work? See this line?
That acrylic line might explode. 60 psi.
I mean, it says it's good for Ford.
Yeah.
It's from.
I don't know why we're being all negative all of a
It's
sudden.
from 2017. That's like
Fine.
brand fucking new.
Yeah. Do we need any other service done on this at this point?
Yeah, maybe we gotta check the ball joints.
Now the ball just.
No, they're good.
Checked them before.
Sway bar bushing looks like it's a little weird. Alright, alright. Everything looks good up here.
Yeah, everything's good. AC works.
Are you serious?
Man, we're not
This
not
thing's-
that far off.
This thing's really fantastic. Yes.
Now it's gonna be hydrolocked and we're gonna have power valve for 'em.
Alright, how's it going over here? Oh, everything's oily. I'm not going to touch it. We're getting ready to try and start this one. Put it down for a while and then you flip it right back over.
Team
Matt,
Ho!
what did you do?
Team Ho, you stalled out.
What a shit box.
Team Ho, you stalled out.
Why are we turning this thing? I'm putting
Agreed.
this thing in the
It's a
guy's
shit
front
box.
yard.
Hey, you moved your foot.
Hey, you're gonna need to do better than that. It's really loud. Hey! We got her chooching. Does it go?
Running again.
Does it go in gear?
Let me try to close the door.
It goes into gear? We're killing all the skeeters!
I could run her pin, bud. I don't fuck around. Goddamn.
What do you got going over here, Matthew?
Fucking pins.
Do you have like a fucking
That's hot, man.
Where's your
I
girl
got,
brush?
dude, what do you want? Dude, I got it all.
He needs a wire brush.
I don't have a wire brush. I'm right.
Don't forget, I moved that one to there. So
You don't forget. I don't know what the hell you're doing.
this one is your groove.
All I know is I'm gapping my plug, bud.
Will this one reach to that spot?
Looks like it.
That's his new that plug. So because we moved the room.
I can't wait
I'm
till I
not
get 20 miles to the
I
gallon.
don't think this one could.
Do you expect to drive it
I
home?
like beat the fuck out of it on your fender.
I drove it here.
For me.
Okay,
But
do you
then-
expect to drive it home?
Yeah, you drove it on the track after you got here. Are you feeling all right?
Ain't got no other way home. He's screwed.
Your guys' expectations are so low.
We don't know something.
Like it's touching, is it
I
okay?
got a weed whacker.
Touching my.
I have boys.
Dude, this plug wire doesn't feel like it wants to fucking.
I know, I ripped one off already.
Well, it doesn't feel like it wants to set the ball.
Hey, why don't you like go fix your Ford?
Mine is good to go.
Dude.
No, your
Oh,
wheels,
way to go. Now you made us all look
your
retarded.
fucking wheels keep breaking. No wonder why they had a recall. I drove the fucking recall on the.
I drove the wheels
Are you guys even old enough to know the recall?
The Firestone?
Yeah, the fucking
That
Firestone.
was good. That was
Ford
good.
Explorer
You did
recall.
drive the wheel right off that motherfucker though.
Yeah, and it's.
I've never you did it last year too. Yeah, but that was a ball joint.
No, the Ford Revo was the Firestone tire.
Yeah, the tires.
Well, I know, but you fucked the whole goddamn wheel to shit.
Well, I mean, it just didn't hold up.
I mean, there's a Firestone wheel on it.
Sometimes they don't tell the truth for what I'm requiring.
Firestone wheel.
There's a Firestone tire on a rim. Who fucking cares?
Holy fuck. This is the best day ever.
The crazy thing is that my trans got completely fucked because when we were supposed to be using fourth gear, I started using gear, and then when I came out of fourth gear, I had no gears, so I couldn't get it in any gear. Shut it off, start it, whatever. Matt got his foot on there, shoved it forward, and it's in like fifth gear now. So I just have to clutch it a little to get it going. I just stuck it like
I had to use all my to go.
to kick it in gear.
Fucking roundabout.
The shifter is in a real weird spot.
It's like that TikTok video. I'm just gonna let her eat, or I'm not gonna stop until I say hi to God, or this motherfucker blows up.
I never really gonna lift. I'm not gonna lift.
I never really thought how do seatbelts work.
I can't believe you rolled a fucking vehicle here.
Yeah.
You can't believe that? No,
he's
he's scared of every fucking thing, dude. At work, if it goes, he's like, oh god, I don't know what happened.
Anything electric or fire, I'm scared of.
What do you got going on there, Matt?
Yeah.
Did you just give that mouth to mouth? Let me see that again.
I gave her the old hug. Chew. The hot chew.
I'm about to take the old
Am I
dirty
gonna go
man.
viral on that?
Fucking dually, I'm just destroyed.
You gotta give her the old hot too and spit on that thing.
Yeah, spit on that thing. Oh, that thing's. I don't think they had the spark plug wires right on this thing.
Are you gonna fuck it up?
Yeah.
Oh, that's
Alright, are we ready now? Are you going through all 6 of them?
Yeah, she's a 6-cylinder. I'm gonna do 3.
Okay. We'll have the front bank running good.
I have WD in my trailer.
Because it never feels like it clips on.
I could get. I
No,
got
she
that
just had it
red.
That thing, every time it starts back up, is like black smoke billowing out of it. I wonder if injectors are stuck open or something. It's almost like... getting too much fuel or something. That's what I'm saying, if an injector's stuck, then it's just always firing. Dead, bud. Dead. Dead, done killed her. It's a real nice wheel on this thing.
hey, easy on the vehicle, okay?
She's fucked. We need a glass delete. The bomb, motherfucker.
Hey, are you okay?
Watch you ear holes. Hey, throw it in the back window. Back window.
Yeah!
Biscuits. We showered everything in glass.
Do you know that you're gonna bring a lighter today for that kind of stuff?
You look pretty cute with that on backwards. I think you're adorable. What do you got? You got another one of these things?
Yeah, Sarah keeps feeding them to me.
Happy dad. Okay,
See anything.
we think we're gonna pack it up for the night. The dogs may be hungry. They've been at home for
And our eyes are burning. 8 hours.
10 hours by themselves. Anyways.
Poor puppies.
Yeah, my eyes are on fire. So we're gonna pack up some stuff, and we hope you enjoyed the video and the outfits. Save a horse, ride a cousin. I mean, if you guys aren't getting out, can you see me? If you guys aren't getting out and having a good time with your friends, you know, with a bunch of beater vehicles or something, I don't know what you're doing. This is what life is about. Having fun with your friends, with your family. Get out there, do something stupid, don't hurt yourself, have fun. Oh, getting after it. they're just gonna keep making laps. I'm gonna let them do it. You can't see much.